Welcome the students of SC Civil for the subject Concrete Technology Unit number 2. The title is Production, Properties and Testing of Fresh Concrete. For this we will refer the reference books M.A. Shetty, Concrete Technology Theory and Practice. Next M.L. Gambhir, Concrete Technology Theory and Practice, and Adam Nevely, A.M. Nevely, Properties of Concrete. The course objectives: first, to know the properties of various ingredients of concrete and concept of mixed design. Second course objective, to learn the behavior and properties of concrete in fresh state and hardened state. Third course objective, to understand special concrete and their applications. Fourth course objective, to understand the durability aspects and preventive measures to enhance the life of the concrete. Now we will see the course outcome. The students will be able to select the various ingredients of concrete and its suitable proportion to achieve desired strength. Second course outcome, student will be able to check the properties of concrete in fresh state and hardened state. Third course outcome, students will get acquainted to concreting equipments, techniques and different types of special concrete. Fourth course outcome, student will be able to predict deteriorations in concrete and get acquainted to various repairing methods and techniques. So here we will see the part 2, production, properties and testing of fresh concrete. Part A includes production and properties of fresh concrete, which includes nominal mix, water cement ratio, process of manufacturing fresh concrete, batching, mixing, transportation, compaction, curing of concrete, curing methods, influence of temperature, maturity rules, workability and factors affecting workability, cohesion and segregation. It also includes Part B, test on fresh concrete, which includes workability by slump cone, compaction factor, VB consistometer and flow table apparatus. Effect of admixture on workability of concrete and optimum dosage of admixture by Marsh cone test. Now we will have the revision. So we have seen in the lecture part A, production and properties of fresh concrete. First nominal mix, then standard mix, then water cement ratio and process of manufacturing the fresh concrete. In next lecture we have seen the various steps in the process of manufacturing the fresh concrete, that is batching, mixing, transportation, placing, compaction, finishing and curing. In next lecture we have seen the curing methods, influence of temperature, maturity rules, workability, factors affecting workability, cohesion, segregation. In next lecture we have seen part B, test on fresh concrete, the workability by slump cone, compaction factor, VB consistometer, flow table apparatus. And in next lecture we have also seen part B, test on fresh concrete, effect of admixture on workability of concrete and optimum dosage of admixture by Marsh cone test. So this covers the unit number 2, production and properties and testing of fresh concrete. Part A, production and properties of fresh concrete, nominal mix, water cement ratio, process of manufacturing fresh concrete, batching, mixing, transportation, compaction, curing of concrete, curing methods, influence of temperature, maturity rules, workability and factors affecting workability, cohesion and segregation. It also includes part B, test on fresh concrete, workability by slump cone, compaction factor, VB consistometer and flow table apparatus, effect of admixture on workability of concrete and optimum dosage of admixture by Marsh cone test. Now we will see the YouTube links available on the YouTube. First, understanding nominal mix for concrete as per IS 456-2000, nominal mix versus design mix of concrete. Next YouTube link, water cement ratio of concrete, strength of concrete number 2, water cement ratio, concrete technology, water cement ratio, the overview of the stages involved in manufacture of concrete number 1, understanding nominal mix for concrete as per IS 456-2000, manufacture of concrete, how to manufacture concrete, fresh concrete part 1, fresh concrete part 2, fresh properties part 3, the overview of the stages involved in manufacture of concrete number 1, how it works concrete, how to make Roman concrete, methods of concrete curing, types of concrete curing, English Ultratech cement, curing of concrete, purpose, time, duration and methods of curing. Next YouTube link, water curing of concrete, types, manufacture of concrete, number 30. What is membrane curing of concrete, manufacture of concrete, number 31. Curing of concrete by application of heat, manufacture of concrete, number 32. Steam curing of concrete at ordinary pressure, manufacture of concrete, number 33. Steam curing of concrete at high pressure, manufacture of concrete, number 34. Curing of concrete by infrared radiation, manufacture of concrete, number 35. Electrical curing of concrete, manufacture of concrete, number 36. Temperature effects in concrete, Dr. D. Ambika. What is concrete temperature limit, its importance and effects in construction? Concrete maturity concept and application, maturity concept of concrete, strength of concrete, number 8, maturity test on concrete, non-destructive testing methods, NDT, number 7, concrete maturity monitoring, concrete maturity and early strength, concrete maturity concept, numerical on maturity concept, vocabulary of concrete, properties of fresh concrete, number 1, vocabulary of concrete part 1, building materials and construction, GATE ESE 2022, Sunil Kumar. Vocabulary of concrete part 2, building material and construction, GATE ESE 2022, Sunil Kumar. Factors affecting workability of concrete part 1, workability of concrete 2, factors affecting workability of concrete part 2, workability of concrete 3, factors affecting workability of concrete part 3, workability of concrete 4, field test for cohesion of concrete, field test for cohesion of concrete, segregation of concrete, properties of fresh concrete, number 3, bleeding of concrete, properties of fresh concrete, number 4, concrete slump test, test for workability of concrete, number 1, test for workability of concrete slump cone test, workability test of concrete, workability of fresh concrete, how to measure slump. Next YouTube link, compaction factor test for concrete, test for workability of concrete, number 3, test on fresh concrete by compaction factor, year 3, workability of concrete compacting factor test, workability of cement concrete, VB consistometer test for concrete, test for workability of concrete, number 5, VB consistometer, concrete VB consistometer methods, IS 1199, demo by Sachu, VB consistometer test, test on fresh concrete, flow table test for concrete, test for workability of concrete, number 4, flow table test. Next YouTube link, flow table test of concrete, SCC concrete test, free flow concrete test at site. Next YouTube link, rheology of concrete by Dr. S. Girish, Professor, BMSc, Bengaluru, webinar hosted by Rasta and CMTI. Next YouTube link, basic properties of concrete. Next YouTube link, latest trends in concrete webinar. Now we will see the assignment number 2. First question, explain the nominal mixes of concrete. Second question, explain water cement ratio in concrete. Third, explain in detail process of manufacturing fresh concrete. Fourth question for assignment number 2, describe in detail batching of concrete. Fifth, summarize mixing of concrete. Sixth, explain in detail transportation of concrete. Seventh, illustrate placing of concrete. Eighth question, enlist compaction of concrete and explain each in detail. Ninth question, explain finishing of concrete. 10th question, explain curing of concrete. 11, explain in detail the curing methods of concrete. 12, illustrate influence of temperature on concrete. 13, conclude on maturity rule. 14th question, explain in detail workability. 15th question, elaborate factors affecting workability. 16th question, describe cohesion of concrete. 17, describe segregation of concrete. 18, enlist the test on fresh concrete. 19, evaluate workability of fresh concrete by slump cone. 20, evaluate workability of fresh concrete by compaction factor. 21, evaluate workability of fresh concrete by VB consistometer. 22 question, evaluate workability of fresh concrete by flow table apparatus. 23rd question, elaborate effect of admixtures on workability of concrete. 24th question, elaborate optimum dosage of admixture by Marsh cone test. Now we will see the exercise, the questions from the university question paper from April 2017. Question number 1b. State and explain various operations involved during the concreting from mixing to finishing of concrete surface for 6 mark. Question number 2b. Define workability. State and explain factors affecting the workability for 6 marks. Then next question paper, April 2018. From that, question number 1b, explain in detail importance of compaction of concrete. What are the different methods of compaction for 6 mark? Question number 2b, what are the different methods to measure workability? Explain flow table test in detail for 6 marks. Next question, question number 3b, state and explain various operations involved during the concreting from mixing to finishing of concrete surface for 6 marks. Next question from April 2019 question paper. The question is question number 1b, define workability of concrete. How is the workability measured in laboratory? Explain any one method for 6 mark. Next question, question number 2b, explain the causes of bleeding and effect of bleeding and prevention of bleeding for 6 mark. Next question, question number 3a, explain in detail factors affecting strength of concrete. Describe any one in detail, 6 mark. Then next question, question number 3b, write short notes on first the concrete pumps and next is the concrete vibrators for 7 marks. So we have seen the exercise. Now the unit number 2, properties, production, properties and testing of fresh concrete, which includes part A, production and properties of fresh concrete, nominal mix, water cement ratio, process of manufacturing fresh concrete, batching, mixing, transportation, compaction, curing of concrete, curing methods, influence of temperature, maturity rules, workability and factors affecting workability, cohesion and segregation. It also includes part B, test on fresh concrete, workability by slump cone, compaction factor, VB consistometer and flow table apparatus. Effect of admixture on workability of concrete and optimum dosage of admixture by Marsh cone test. So this is the unit number 2, production, properties and testing of fresh concrete, which includes part A, production and properties of fresh concrete, nominal mix, water cement ratio, process of manufacturing fresh concrete, batching, mixing, transportation, compaction, curing of concrete, curing methods, influence of temperature, maturity rule, workability and factors affecting workability, cohesion and segregation. It also includes part B, test on fresh concrete, workability by slump cone, compaction factor, VB consistometer and flow table apparatus, effect of admixture on workability of concrete and optimum dosage of admixture by Marsh cone test. Now these are the YouTube links prepared by me. First is the CT U2L1, next is CT U2L2, next YouTube link is CT U2L3, next YouTube link CT U2L4, next YouTube link CT U2L5 and next YouTube link is CT U2L6. Thank you all students.